Hello? Okay, let's see what's going on, what's happened since last night. All right. So we come to uh the another uh uh analysis of the market. So here last night before I go to bed, so we Dogecoin came all the way up to sorry, this is not the, yeah, this is Dogecoin. Okay. So all the way up to 43 or around 44 level. Uh, but okay, so if you remember, I when I was like uploaded a video last night before I go to bed. I said that, we identified two order blocks, which one around 40s 25.50, and the other one is around 40s 20 or 21. And we entered actually, I opened a position. We had opened a position around here. Once we had a breakup once we had a breakup over 29 40s 29, sorry, 40s 28, around this I think, where is that? Okay, yeah, this was the breakup toward the upside. So this was the breakup actually, right? And I said that it should retest this level and then we should go higher. So uh it retested, came back to the channel, tried again, but this was the a resistance. So market, reacted to this level, came back, did some consolidation, and then, you know, tried to do a couple of times to, retest this level and go up. And that was that in community chat, I said everyone that there's no momentum. So I don't see it's trying, but there's no momentum. So I put my stop loss right below this level around 28. So because that was an important level that previously we broke above it. So and then went to bed because it was late. Uh, yeah, after that, so since I noticed that there's no momentum, the market started, so drop and exactly came to the level that we had mentioned, you know, and that comes to that level. So so far we are trying to do some correction in the market, which is healthy, So we're not gonna say that it's gonna go down, down, down. No, this is needed in market. We need to come back. We need to retest. We need to in order to find accumulation. So the way that this things happening. So the market makers are making some, liquidity levels because, to hunt, stop losses, or if people like place orders on some important levels, so market maker try to come to that level and hunt those orders in order to have more liquidity for more upside trend. So that's the thing about that, why this happening. So I told everyone that, market is bullish, but we might come back a little bit. So if you go back to my previous video, let me bring it over here. So this was the video. The video that I posted last night before I go to bed. Let me bring it over. Okay, I think it was. Okay. So yeah, here was the video that I updated. Okay, that we should go over this in order to be more bullish, but if not, but since market had run a lot, so we didn't have that much power in order to continue. And of course, some people are shorting the market at that time, so it's not always one side of the coin. So you have to think of both side of the coin. So since we had run off, and this correction is actually needed, so that's how it has happened. Okay, so um, for now, we in order to from this level, so let's see what's happening. Let me get this price tag a little bit here and check these levels. Let me see on 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour, MACD is trying to go to the bearish side. So I mean, we're gonna have another from this level, trying to go up all the way to 28. So for those who are still like is in position, they can still they don't sell it for loss. So we might come back. It all depends. So we might come back to retest this levels a little bit. So, but for those who wants to enter a new position, so they can slightly enter in this at this level, 4021, one step, not the whole money, not the step. Let's say, you have to split your money and just for 2 3 steps, because the way you cannot get all of your money because all the market has run up. So if what are the chances that the market drops more to the other levels here, 40s 20? So all the profit that you already make, you're gonna give it back. So m- mind these levels, and if you want to enter, you have to make sure that you respect these levels as well. Okay. This is what is happening right now, and this doji candle here, we're gonna spend a little bit more time in these levels. Let's see what happens. In order to be like more upside, we need to come back all the way to this level, okay, around this level, 29 cents, and you know. Um, then we can say, okay, that this now continues running. Okay. Uh, for my case, what I'm gonna do, my plan is, so my plan would be to uh, enter a little bit in this level, not too much. Okay, maybe 10%. I'm gonna start the position here because I already sold for profit around 28, so which was fine. And I don't mind, if I enter like 10% here, because eventually we come back and retest this level, and then if we reject, so what's gonna happen? So we might come to this level. If we reject, then we come back to that 20 is 40s 21 or 20 cents. So this is this complete scenario that already I'm thinking that this gonna happen. Um, I hope just subscribe and hit the bell so that way when I give any more important updates you don't miss it. And always risk management is important. It's not always that you think the whole market is going up, going up, going up. Okay, once you have profit, when you think that you are happy with it, and Especially, when I say that, okay, these are the levels, we might come back to these levels, and you have good profit. And when I see that there's no momentum, okay, wait. Or if you still, want to enter a position at the top, never get all of your money, in those positions. So because you never know that a sharp to the downside comes, and then you'll be back over. All right. I'll come with more updates. So still we're gonna spend a little bit time here, and as I said, and about Dogecoin, let's say Dogecoin before I go. So yeah, the same thing. Dogecoin is also is good level to enter one position, because still we are above the 200 you know EMA. So this is a good but this level here, we probably spend a bit time if you want. Let me see. Yeah, actually it's not a good. It's a very it's not a bad idea, but uh, I'm to have to wait to if what happens to this. So if this come to that this you know sloping resistance line that I have here, and then probably reach if this breaks above that and then come back and retest to this level in here. So I'm gonna put the price not here. So we have to come and retest and support this. So if we hold, so after breaking through this resistance line, sloping resistance line, and then come back, retest this, and we will see that, okay, the momentum is coming, volume is coming, so we're gonna go another leg up. But if we test like that, whatever happened here, if we test it here and we didn't break up, so we gonna go one leg down, okay? And that would be around first 32 or